Setting up Cloudflare DNS for your website involves the following steps. Create a Cloudflare account. Go to Cloudflare and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, click Add a site. Enter your domain. Enter your website's domain name and click Add Site. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records automatically. Review DNS records. After scanning, Cloudflare will show you a list of DNS records associated with your domain. Verify that the records match what you currently use. Make any necessary adjustments. Choose a plan. Cloudflare will prompt you to choose a plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Update name servers. Cloudflare will provide 2 name servers. Go to your domain register and replace your current name servers with the ones Cloudflare provided. Wait for DNS propagation. It may take a few hours to 48 hours for DNS changes to propagate across the internet. During this time, Cloudflare will start routing traffic to your site through their DNS servers. Configure additional settings. Once setup is complete, you can configure additional Cloudflare features like caching, SSL or TLS encryption, and security settings.